I have been craving pasta salad. Number 3 of what I'm taking to 4th of July. I've already shown y'all the pot of beans and that gas station potato salad. Add salt to boiling water, some chicken bouillon, and whatever kind of pasta you have on hand. I have a little regular rotini, tricolor, and I forget what these are called. Cook your noodles al dente according to their package directions. You don't want to cook them all the way because in the pasta salad it'll feel kind of mushy. Add pasta to the grocery list. While that's cooking, let's chop up some salami and some pepperoni. Pepperoni, salami. I'm only going to do half a bag of salami because it's so thick. Just dice it up into little pieces. Add to your bowl black olives. Whoa. Yes, you could buy pre-sliced, but that's not what I have. Add to your bowl cilantro, stems and all. Add to your bowl. I already used all my cherry tomatoes from the garden, so super sad about that because that's what I would like to use. But I still have some fresh tomatoes from the garden, so that's what we're going to use. Add to your bowl. I'm going to add 2 types of cheese, mozzarella and sharp cheddar. Probably 4 to 6 ounces each. Add to your bowl. Once your pasta gets to the consistency that you like, run it under some cold water or give it an ice bath. I forgot my friend brought me some of these out of her garden. We're absolutely adding these. Red onion. I have no idea why they call it a red onion. I call it a purple onion, but I'm just saying red for y'all. Someone asked me the other day if I add all of my vegetable scraps to my veggie bag in the freezer, and I said, yeah, I think so. That's not true. Purple cabbage and purple onion, I have never. Purple cabbage will 100% turn the broth purple, and I'm assuming a purple onion would too. Red, whatever. You want to cut these in half and then in thirds. So just like that, and then thinly slice. So you're working with something about like that. Add to your bowl. You're probably only going to do half. I do not have a strainer. The pasta is cool enough, now it won't melt the cheese. Add a little oil to your pasta. Add all your ingredients in. If you feel like you need any extra of the ingredients we added, add more. I think this looks good. We're going to go the easy route. This is a fat-free, zesty Italian. I've been using Fire and Smoke's Italian seasoning. It's really good. There's another one I like too. It's a little squatty jar. I can't remember what that's called. It's really good as well. Some Italian seasoning. Salt if you feel like you need it. Just give it a taste. And I have some of this leftover feta cheese, so I'm gonna add that as well. Because who doesn't love feta? And voila,